bit more.
Okay, let's try it.
Just don't update my add-ons, it's very good.
5, 4,
Manta is a very weird meaning of it's very good.
Ska jag pry? Manta. Wakanda.
Getting a big soak soon. Oh, it's there.
Man, the lines are so irrelevant for the other thing, for the meteor.
Lipnos and the Manta. Finir.
Alice, you shouldn't go out before your name is called.
Later
Oh,
now.
sorry.
Move into this.
Manta and convection. Laser.
Sky just coming soon.
Modib.
Couldn't hear your sound, you lag.
Crispy and Fisher. Uska. Wakanda.
Is this still the range if it's moving?
We're gonna get a double shield soon. Maybe not soon, but soaks. With first shield, we're moving the boss.
Crisp and Uska. Convection.
Getting a new shield now. Get ready to move the boss
Laser.
again.
Laser.
And new soaks.
Out, please. Out with boss.
3, 2, 1.
Move into this.
Metal and the Riot. Pry.
Dispel, please. Oh.
Yeah, and Shark Panda.
Someone
Oh,
just
but-
I got it back. I got it back.
dodge these blades. Get a soak. Watch these lines. We're gonna get lines and soak again
Scan Pry.
in 1 second.
Gelbin.
In with this soak, I'll link this one.
Gelbin out. Modib.
Move into this.
Crisp and Kate.
Not the marking.
Pry.
Soaks.
Fish and fish down.
Run out this, and there's a soak up.
Far is the marker, by the way, for soaks or debuffs.
We get a recall here. This is the scary recall. We might have to sacrifice someone. If you can immune, please do.
It's just sacrifice laser,
Yeah.
Bye.
and we rest him after.
Maleficent
I'm resting
try.
him.
Good.
3, 2,
Manta.
1.
Move in, move in. Grip
Can do
those
the
people
last spell
outside.
after.
I get in.
Life grip. Thank you.
Fire mod him.
Good job.
Innervate Chris. Hi, Gelbin.
90 seconds.
Okay.
Down.
Conviction and pry.
We get a shield here.
Pry and laser also. Out with pry. And then Shark Combo.
I'm late, wait for me. Don't spill. Oh.
Remember personals and health stones. And normal health pots.
3, 2, 1.
What the fuck?
Easiest boss, dude.
Ooh, kinda easy boss, but
Easiest boss of my life. What the fuck?
Job.
what do we do next? Let's go home, right?
I can't get loot on Mythic. This is
We made
crazy.
want to
Yeah, but we have a
Yes.
mythic fault slot
Okay.
now, guys.
Yes,
Congrats,
Vision.
Oh,
we
get
get
out.
two, we get 2 mythic vault slots today.
Oh.
Good job.
I get 1 Stygian Ember, it's very good.